I'll be teaching y'all how to lattice a pie. So first off, I've just got my dough already in the pan and I preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But I am not one to learn how to make dough. It's personally not something I have been able to try, so I am using some store-bought pie crust. But more importantly, we'll get to something that seems hard, but is honestly really simple. Anyone can lattice a pie, and I'm here to guide you. So, the first step is very simple. We're just gonna cut the dough into 8 equal sized strips, or you can cut it into more strips if you would like. It's still gonna be the same process, just a bit more time. For the filling, I'll be using the jam from the previous video. Obviously you can just check that out if you want to know. Feel free to use any other filling, but I just decided to use what I had, and this really does make one killer pie. Let's get this all in. Hopefully it comes out of this jar. Oh, there we go. That was not satisfying. But once you get a good amount of filling, then we're gonna start the lattice. I think maybe just a bit more will do us some good. So I'll be using all of it, which, I mean, a bit more isn't much more, but what counts? Smoothing that out, making it look nice and pretty. And so the journey of latticing begins. So first you're gonna take 4 of these strips and you're just gonna lay them down. Try to put them in an even area, but really that's okay if you don't. I cut them up, and of course this is about as even as they're gonna get in my standards. But yeah, if you want to, just try to make them look as even as possible. You can cut off these extra strips later. And then you're gonna take these 2, every other strip like this, and you're gonna peel it back to where you're gonna add in your first set of the other set of strips that you cut out. Peel this back a bit more, just so that it goes in the place I want it to be. I'm gonna set that down and put these strips back up. Congratulations, you've just done your first set. Maybe just move that back a bit. Not perfect, but next we're gonna use again the other one, every other strip, to take it back and give it that unique pattern. Set it down and put the strip back. This one accidentally got pulled a bit too much, so I'm just gonna gently move it back into place. We're nearly done here. I just need to fix this strip because it's covering a bit too much area. But that one is gonna go right there on this set of dough strips. It's gonna look nice and pretty, that spot. And then we have our very, very last strip. And just grab these 2, pull them back, and set it down. And now we can get rid of any excess and crimp the edges. Be crimping this with a fork. I cut off some of the excess, but you can also just crimp it using the tips of your fingers. I personally want to go just for a bit more of an aesthetic appeal with this. And then after I've finished crimping it, I will again cut off any excess pieces of the edge. After a few mishaps with the lattice, I'm just gonna put this into the oven and that'll be all set. I just took this out of the oven. It's a little bit crispy, so next time I know when I have it on 400 degrees, I'm just gonna put it in for 30 minutes, not 35. But at least it's just the edges.